At Audiology Associates of Prestonsburg, you can live your life the way you want and find the freedom of better hearing. With 40 years of being in the hearing care industry, you'll experience patient care that is specific to you with exceptional follow-up care that ensures your hearing and balance needs are being met. Audiology Associates at 1428 North Lake Drive in Prestonsburg.
On Thursday, April 13th, Kentucky Attorney General Daniel Cameron held the 6th Operation Fight the Fentanyl event. The forum took place in the Martin County Public Library in Inez, where several members of local law enforcement and community partners discussed the opioid epidemic and the steps being taken to end the war on drugs.
This is a big issue that has hurt a lot of communities across Kentucky, and so Operation Fight Fentanyl is about getting stakeholders, citizens involved in finding ways in which we can confront this challenge. It's also time for folks to tell their stories and share their testimonies about how they've overcome addiction as well. And so I'm proud to be here in Martin County to have this conversation. We've been trying to have these forums in as many places as possible. We'll have one in Leslie County next week. We'll perhaps be in Henderson County in West Kentucky thereafter. And so again, this is really important to have folks in our communities across Kentucky involved in making sure that we fight this to the best of our abilities.
The fentanyl crisis has claimed the lives of roughly 70,000 people since 2021. 2,250 of those deaths were Kentuckians, and the Attorney General's office is working around the clock to find solutions to save countless others.
One of the big things that we bring to the table is being a convening authority, being able to make sure that we bring folks to the table to have a productive and informative conversation about how we can fight fentanyl. But in addition to that, we've also taken steps to hold the Biden administration accountable for their failures at the southern border. We've helped bring in nearly $900 million into the state from pharmaceutical companies, wholesalers and manufacturers and distributors of opioids. Again, that's nearly $900 million that we are in the process of bringing into the state. I've also urged the Biden administration to label fentanyl a weapon of mass destruction and to label the Sinaloa and Jalisco cartels as foreign terrorist organizations. And so there's a lot that our office can do and is doing to make sure that Kentuckians know that we are engaged in this fight with them, and we want to see this drug epidemic out of Kentucky.
Reporting for Mountaintop News, I'm Nick Collum.